Today I find myself doing a quick unboxing review of the new, and that's new to me myself, is the VideoMic Me-L made by RODE. So the L being that it has the lightning plug-in adapter instead of the old 3.5 millimeter earplug adapter. So these are on sale now, hard to find, always seem to be sold out. Apple sells them at about $105. That seems to be the current pricing, $105. I got this one from Tomley Music. As you can see, 100 bucks, that's Canadian. Throw in some tax, 110 out the door. So I'll whip out the giant knife here. Cut this thing open and see what's in the box. Insert box cutting music here. All right, so once we get past the safety seal, we grab the tab here and out it comes. Nothing falls, nothing falls. All right, so the first thing obviously is this giant dead cat or windsock or windshield, which we'll test that in the field. Next up is this little rubber grommet style connector. So once you mount it to the camera, I can show you how this slides in, and you can't see it. Wedges in tight. And finally is the RODE microphone. So I don't know any specs on it, so don't think I'm going to tell you any. I don't know. What I do know though is that this little 3.5 in the back, when you plug your headset in, you can actually hear the audio that you're recording. And the way it's designed like this, being flat, you know, with the lightning connector, is it'll either be facing you or facing your subject. I found often when I'm shooting scenes of the construction, I'm behind the camera and my voice isn't being picked up, or it's very weak. So in editing, I have to bump it up to maximum just to hear what I'm saying, or in quiet settings where I don't want to get too loud and boisterous. So then in that case, I would actually just flip it and point it towards me as a directional mic. But next up, we're going to take it outside. So hello there, I'm just at the Edgewater Bar campground today doing a audio test. I've picked up one of these little RODE microphones. You probably saw the preview, which led to this testing. Right now it's not in. I'm just using the FaceTime camera on my iPhone 10 with the regular built-in speakers. Next, I'm going to turn the camera around and shoot the way I normally do when I'm at the construction site. And you'll just hear the regular noise that'll again be without the microphone. So we're doing that now. So again, this is the Edgewater campground, Edgewater Bar. I'm just behind the camera like I normally shoot when I'm doing the construction videos. Just gonna get off the road here. And this is with the regular built-in microphones again on the iPhone 10. I've got the little RODE shotgun here, which I'm gonna put in first off and have it facing towards the subject matter. So I'm gonna do that right now. There, so now we have the RODE microphone in, facing the subject. The wind sock, the dead cat, is not on. I have the microphone pointing at myself and I'm filming the subject in the foreground. So now the microphone is facing the subject, which obviously put the wind on the front end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the windsock on right now. Windsock is now on, mic is away from me. So now the windsock is on, the mic is facing me. I don't know if you can hear the train on the other side of the river. I can hear it clearly. It's like this, so now this is actually the shotgun mic facing the train. I turn it back towards me so you're getting the subject in the foreground, but the microphone is facing me with the windsock on. The wind is now dead, judging by the flag. Making my way back to the car. Microphone is facing me. Windsock is on. Keys are in my pocket. Everything's good. I'm gonna turn the microphone around while continuing to video. So just videoing, mic is off. Now we're just on the iPhone microphone. And now the microphone is facing away now, windsock on. I've just shot over towards the train. So now the camera's back facing me. And I just know not to look at the windsock. If I look away from the windsock, I should be looking right at the camera. Now the final shooting is like this, where I'm doing the FaceTime video. Microphone is facing me with the windsock on, and then I would be pointing at things behind me. So it is a gorgeous day, 24 degrees, making my way back to the smart car. Right now I'm to the side of the mic, and right now I'm behind the mic, and then I'm bringing it back around to the front of me. So those are all the tests, and that concludes today's experiment.